fans, you're very good at dancing. AC! A 5! A 6! A 5! 6! 7! 8!
Focus, God is coming!
Boom!
God is good!
Wait. Ang promise ka muna, Joanna, na magbaboling ka kasama kami.
O sige, kung kilala niyo pa kami.
Kung kilala niyo kami.
Tapos, at isasama si Malort. Yun!
Baboy.
Don't what?
Yes!
Meron siyang fried tofu at fried pork.
Yes!
So, Talk What Baboy! And this is specifically crafted by her group, Ashley's Group.
Yes!
Ang magiging challenge talaga po namin dito is yung time. Time for both building and holding the two together.
I love Michael. He's such a strong energy in this house, and when he speaks, we all listen.
Lahat tayo may struggles, lahat tayo may challenges. And I think the beauty of it is that we're gonna learn from one another. No matter how long we stay here, short or long, may matutunan tayo sa isa. And ako, why I accepted this? Guess we're making history. And to be offered something like this is a blessing. And I don't want to turn down any blessing that's given to me. Just cherish every moment. Let's make this a special season and just spread love, positivity.
Ano, ang hirap din sa feelings. I mean, yung kaba ko po every time. Ayoko ipakita, pero talagang ang sakit. Kasi never naman po ako sure kung mag-stay pa ako, kung mananominate ako.
Very brave and you're very mature. Kasi to handle it that way is very impressive. Sabi ko, ang galing. Tapang mo, the fact na, galing.